Imagine biting into a sun-ripened mango. Juicy, sweet nectar dribbles down your chin. Its vibrant color explodes in your mouth. That, my friends, is the magic of the mango. From the moment it touches your lips, it's a fiesta of flavor. And guess what? This golden gem is not only delicious, but also packed with good stuff. We're talking vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, all the good things your body craves. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mangoes are great, but aren't they a bit of a faff to prepare? Fear not. I'm here to show you just how easy it is to whip up incredible mango dishes. Get ready for minimum effort and maximum flavor. We're going on a culinary adventure. Mango Mania awaits. We'll be exploring 5 simple but sensational mango recipes that will tantalize your taste buds. A starter to get your appetite going, a main course that's big on flavor, a dessert to satisfy your sweet tooth, a refreshing drink, and a wildcard recipe that'll blow your mind. Get ready to unleash your inner chef and embrace the tropical deliciousness of mangoes. Mangoes are often called the king of fruits, and let me tell you, they wear that crown with pride. Originating in India over 4,000 years ago, these golden nuggets have conquered the world with their vibrant flavor and incredible versatility. But mangoes are more than just a delicious treat. They are a nutritional powerhouse bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Did you know that just 1 cup of mango provides a whopping dose of your daily vitamin C needs? That's right, these golden delights can help boost your immunity and keep those pesky colds at bay. And that's not all. Mangoes are also a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. So go ahead, indulge in this tropical treat guilt-free. But here's the best part. Mangoes are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them fresh, toss them in salads, blend them into smoothies, or even grill them for a smoky twist. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, there's a mango recipe out there for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the delicious world of mango recipes and discover easy and exciting ways to incorporate this tropical treasure into your everyday meals. Get ready to experience Mango Mania like never before. Let's kick things off with a bang, a mango salsa surprise that's bursting with freshness. This vibrant salsa is the perfect way to awaken your taste buds and get the party started. It's super easy to make, ready in a flash, and guaranteed to impress your guests. The sweet and tangy flavors of mango, combined with the zest of lime and the crunch of red onion, create a taste explosion that will leave you wanting more. Here's what you'll need. 1 ripe mango diced, half a red onion finely chopped, 1 red chili deseeded and finely chopped, optional for an extra kick, a handful of fresh coriander, roughly chopped, juice of 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste. See, 5 ingredients, just like I promised. Now for the fun part, simply combine all the ingredients in a bowl and give them a good mix. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. That's it. Your mango salsa surprise is ready to steal the show. Serve it with tortilla chips for a classic appetizer, or get creative and spoon it over grilled fish or chicken for an explosion of flavor. This salsa is best served fresh, so the flavors really pop. But if you have any leftovers, which I doubt, store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. Trust me, this mango salsa surprise will be your new go-to appetizer. It's quick, easy, and oh so delicious. Ready for a main course that's both delicious and healthy? Look no further than this tropical chicken salad with a mango twist. This vibrant salad is packed with flavor and texture, making it the perfect light yet satisfying meal. The sweetness of the mango complements the savory chicken and crunchy veggies beautifully, while a zesty lime dressing ties everything together. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cooked chicken breasts, shredded, 1 ripe mango diced, 1 cup mixed salad leaves, half a cucumber diced, half a red onion thinly sliced, a handful of fresh mint leaves, roughly chopped, and for the dressing, juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Easy peasy. Simply combine the shredded chicken, diced mango, mixed salad leaves, cucumber, red onion, and fresh mint leaves in a large bowl. Whisk together the lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper in a separate bowl. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. And there you have it, a taste of the tropics on your plate. This tropical chicken salad is best served immediately, but you can store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 day. It's a great recipe for meal prep, so whip up a batch on Sunday and enjoy a healthy and delicious lunch throughout the week. Go on, treat your taste buds to a tropical getaway. Time for something sweet. This no-bake mango cheesecake parfait is the perfect way to end your meal on a high note. It's creamy, dreamy, and bursting with tropical mango flavor. The best part, it requires absolutely no baking, making it the perfect dessert for those hot summer days when you don't want to turn on the oven. You only need a handful of ingredients for this recipe. 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 ripe mango pureed, 1 teaspoon honey, optional, adjust to your sweetness preference. A handful of digestive biscuits, crushed, and for the topping chopped mango and a sprig of mint, optional for decoration. See? Effortless indulgence. Start by mixing the Greek yogurt, mango puree, and honey, if using, in a bowl until smooth and creamy. Divide the crushed biscuits between 2 glasses, followed by a layer of the mango cheesecake mixture. Repeat the layers, finishing with a dollop of the cheesecake mixture. Top with chopped mango and a sprig of mint for a touch of elegance. Chill the parfaits in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before serving. This will allow the flavors to meld and the biscuits to soften slightly. There you have it, a simple yet decadent dessert that will satisfy your sweet cravings without weighing you down. Enjoy. Feeling the heat? Cool down with this refreshing Mango Lassi, a classic Indian drink that's perfect for those scorching summer days. This creamy and flavorful drink is incredibly easy to make and will quench your thirst in an instant. It's like a mini vacation for your taste buds, transporting you straight to the tropics with every sip. You'll need just a few ingredients for this refreshing drink. 1 ripe mango, peeled and chopped, 1 cup plain yogurt, half a cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, optional, adjust to your sweetness preference. A pinch of cardamom powder, optional for a warm aromatic note, and a few ice cubes. Simply blend all the ingredients together in a blender until smooth and frothy. Taste and adjust the sweetness and cardamom powder to your liking. Pour into tall glasses filled with ice cubes and garnish with a sprig of mint for an extra touch of freshness. There you have it, your very own taste of India. This Mango Lassi is best served chilled, so pop it in the fridge for a few minutes before serving if you prefer. It's a delicious and healthy alternative to sugary drinks and a fantastic way to cool down on a hot day. So ditch those sodas and embrace the refreshing goodness of this tropical delight. Now for the wild card, a recipe that showcases the incredible versatility of mangoes. Remember that mango salsa surprise we whipped up earlier? Well, that's just the tip of the iceberg. This vibrant salsa is not just an appetizer, it's a secret weapon that can elevate a multitude of dishes. Think outside the tortilla chip box and let your culinary creativity run wild. Spoon a generous amount of mango salsa over grilled fish or chicken for a burst of fresh, tropical flavor. Use it as a topping for tacos, burritos or quesadillas to add a touch of sweetness and zest. Mix it with black beans and corn for a simple yet satisfying salad. Feeling adventurous? Try spreading some mango salsa on your next burger for a unique and flavorful twist. Or use it as a topping for baked sweet potatoes for a sweet and savory combination that will tantalize your taste buds. The possibilities are endless. The key is to experiment and have fun. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what delicious creations you can come up with. With its vibrant flavor and versatility, Mango Salsa is your ticket to culinary adventures. So there you have it, folks. 5 simple yet sensational mango recipes that prove just how easy it is to incorporate this tropical treasure into your everyday meals. From a refreshing salsa to a creamy dessert and a thirst-quenching drink, mangoes have got you covered for every occasion. And with their nutritional benefits and versatility, there's no reason not to embrace Mango Mania. Remember, cooking should be fun and stress-free. These recipes are designed to be quick, easy, and accessible to everyone, regardless of your culinary skills. So don't be intimidated. Grab some ripe mangoes, unleash your inner chef, and get ready to experience the joy of cooking with this versatile fruit. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a kitchen novice, I hope these recipes have inspired you to get creative with mangoes and discover the endless possibilities they offer. So go ahead, embrace the Mango Mania and let your taste buds embark on a tropical adventure.